Hey everyone, this is Lol already from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back to the sound design channel. Today we're gonna recreate a slap house bass, and it sounds like this. This is the original sound. And the MIDI. But now in context, if you like this sound, you can grab it here in the description below. You can grab our preset pack with 79 amazing presets for Serum that we've done for Production Music Live. And they're really nice, so you can grab it over there. If you're liking the video, hit the like button. If you're loving it, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future videos from the sound design channel. And now let's get into our Serum sound design patch. We're gonna initialize Serum over here. One thing that it's really important, we need to use a volume shaper for the sound since we're working with a drop. If you don't have Volume Shaper or LFO 2, you can grab Calum Audio's Flux Mini 2, that you can grab it here in the description below. It's free, and you can do the same thing as Volume Shaper or LFO 2. But let's get started with Serum. And now in Serum, we're gonna start the preset, and it sounds like this. Nothing like the sound, but -2 over here in the octaves. Unison to 8. Detune to 0.18. Just taking a little bit of the wideness of the sound. And essentially that's it with oscillator A. Oscillator B, it's gonna just create a little bit of character in the sound, and it's gonna sound really weird. We're gonna go to Spectral and Monster 3. -2 octaves. And essentially that's it for the sound. Now we have to shape a little bit of the sound, and we're gonna go to envelope 1 to do this. So in envelope 1, we're gonna pick the decay. It's gonna be just a tiny bit over here. And the sustain, we're gonna put this here around -22, something like this. And the release, we're gonna put it here to around a second. But it sounds horrible. And because we're using release in a bass, it's always recommended to put mono as well. But now what is going to actually shape the sound is the filter. We're going to choose MG low 24, A and B. The cutoff is going to go all the way down, and we're not going to listen to anything. But we're going to use envelope 1 over here to modulate the sound. And you can see it's slightly as we want. It's not exactly as we want. We're going to intensify these curves over here just to make it a little bit more snappy. Now, also, we're going to have to pick envelope 2, put it all the way down in the sustain. The cutoff is going to be really short because with this, we're just going to intensify the attack of the sound. Also, the release, we're going to put this here to around 300. And now we're going to put this over here to 31. It sounds nothing like we want, but it is what it is, right? Also, we're going to have to put the drive here to 36, so it's going to intensify the level a little bit. Now we're gonna go into the effects section. In the effects section, we're gonna start with a distortion to bring a little bit of the character of the sound. We're gonna put this to 85. You can see that it crushes the sound, but what is that actually shape the sound is this filter over here. So in this filter over here, we're gonna put this again all the way down, MG low 24. And just so you can listen how it sounds, we're gonna put envelope 1 to 71. You can see that it already creates the sound that we're looking for, right? We're also going to put the drive here to 11. But we need a little bit more attack. And again, that's where envelope 2 is going to come into play. And we're going to put this here to 17. Leo, but what if you don't want the attack? Well, what you can do here is you can go to the matrix, and everything that is envelope 2, these two over here, you can pick it here and put it to macro 1. So essentially what this means is if macro 1 is turned all the way down, it's just a low end without that much attack. But if it's turned all the way up, then we have envelope 2 at its fullest, playing with a lot of attack, just so you can have a little bit more flexibility with the sound. And now let's go and finalize the sound, reverb and delay. We're going to start with the reverb. Decay, everything is going to remain as it is. Just the low cut, we're going to put this here around 50%. And the mix is going to go over here around 23, 24. The last thing is the delay. We're going to put this here to 1/8 dot. But you can see that it has a lot of delay and low end delay that we don't want. So we're going to put this here to the high end over here. And all the way down here. So it's just the top end that it's playing. And we're going to intensify this to 35. What if you don't want a sound that is too wide? Well, then you just have to play around with the detune over here. You can see how the detune makes the sound wider. I personally like it with it wider because I feel that it creates a bit better character. But another thing that you can do is go here in the global and just take the width down over here. You can see how it becomes more mono, right? This is full mono. This is full stereo. And that's it. I hope you liked the video. And if you liked it, hit the like button. If you loved it, hit the subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos from the Sound Design channel. And I hope to see you soon in the next video. This is Lolo Ready from Abstract Music Lab. Cheers.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, please check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested Serum presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full Serum preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.